This is plastic pipe. Picked this up in Texas. It's going to Florida. You can see after first belly strap it, 1, 2, and 3, and then the rest over top. So every 6 feet I have to put up put up a strap to secure it. And the crazy thing about this plastic pipe is that when you load it when it's hot, you can secure the straps pretty tight. But if it rains, or if you happen to go from hot to cold, the pipe shrinks and all your straps will be loose. So you have to be careful of the areas you're traveling to with the stuff and keep an eye on it, because it's pretty dangerous to haul this stuff if you're not careful, if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, so this is going to Florida. That's it for this one.